anything you like.
What do you feel about having?
So the first time I speak with a lot of people and I don't have the paper to talk, and today I want to talk about the relationship, how I connect with other people easily. So 4 weeks ago, there's summer intensive Dharma start, and that has a lot of students the range age like me, from 13 to 18. So I'm very happy and very exciting about that. And I'm very and had a little bit afraid because
A beautiful girl make you.
which one? Tell me.
Go ahead.
How you connect the relationship with them? What do you feel about the friendship with them? What is different between you and others? What is similarity?
I see the big difference from me and figures that they always use bad words to say, and very easy to get angry. And I'm different.
So how you can approach to the friend to them?
Just like them. Use bad words to say. Me?
Will you miss them when they go back?
Yeah.
No, never.
Never. Could you connect with each other and still keep in touch?
Maybe. I will think that.
You think, is there anything else you want to say? Okay, you can go up. And the last person is important person today. With you for 4 weeks of training. So welcome Peter on stage.
Wait. What about you?
Tom will do in the next presentation, not now.